What is up, guys? Check it out. We got this thing banger back here, and Johnny, we are on our way up to the 7-Eleven, and we're gonna do the slushy. Justin hit a freaking deer. Well, a deer hit us. Check. I was jibbing and talking, and we were on our way. Look at this. Damn, big old dent. Let's get this on at one time. Damn, guys, look. Got hair all in the freaking wheel. Did this. They said it's back here. So let's go look, guys. We got Brittany and Johnny here. Damn, guys. See if we can zoom in on her here. Damn, that air's chilly now. I wish I brought my coat. Justin, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to get you out to hit a deer tonight, man. Didn't you have a truck that was dented up like this once before? I don't think it was that bad, was it? Dude, look at that. Oh, yeah. Clear up in the bead of the tire. Dude, it hit hard, dude.
She got my bumper up that too.
Damn, yeah, she did. Ooh, damn. It is off a bit, isn't it? Yeah, look at that gap. That's not right.
Do a lot of damage?
Door.
Okay. You want an accident report? Did it do this?
Yeah, it did.
Oh, wow. Okay. I need your driver's license, registration, and insurance card.
But
Okay. I'm gonna go get my camera.
I figured I'd be doing some recording, but I didn't figure we'd be out here like
I
this.
missed that second one.
Yeah, I know, right? Oh, there's a second deer?
Yeah, there's two. The first one crossed, and then the second one's the one that he hit.
Damn, I didn't even notice. Oh,
Right when he turned to the left.
I looked out the window, and I'm telling you, it looked straight at me. For real, like I've seen his head and face and everything. I heard him say, "Oh man," and I'm like, "What?" And the next thing I know, like it all happened just like in an instant, man. You know what I mean?
What are you coming here for?
We were gonna do the slushy video. These guys here, they're getting him a report, getting all of his documents, papers and documents. The dent ain't went nowhere, guys. I don't think that deer's coming back through here. It's gone.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.